Hi everyone, I'm Judy, and that right there is my beautiful white-faced capuchin monkey, Lillian Louise. I'm going to show you what I got. This is a floor cleaning robot, and I just got it. It is a Deebot, and it is by Ecovacs Robotics, and it is an M81 Pro. So we're going to open it up and show you guys what it looks like. My mother already has one, so I already know this thing is fantastic. That's why I got it. And then we're going to take it to Lillian's room, and we're going to see how she reacts to it. And this is what it looks like. Those are the brushes. There's the manual. That is a pad for mopping. Flip it over, huh? Here we go. And it fits right up under. And there's your remote control. And this is our beautiful machine. Okay, you want to lift it out? There we go. Alright, so we got. Okay, that is the home station. What do you call that? The charger?
Power station.
Power station. Okay. What do we got in there?
Filters.
Okay. Extra filters. Okay. What else we got? Okay. We got the measuring cup. That's for when you mop. And they gave you a little extra pad right there. Okay.
Battery.
Okay, battery. Alright. Okay. Now that, turn it. Okay, there we go. So this is where the dirt and everything is collected in this little section here. And right down here, then right here is, take that little tool out, huh? That's some kind of tool. It cleans the brush underneath. And, oh yeah, it's got a little, is that the hook that helps you get the little brushes on and off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll show you that in a minute. And then it's got a little area, hold it up where that razor is. A little area there, it'll cut string or whatever if it gets tangled up in there. Okay, you can set that back in there.
Okay.
Okay, now here's the bottom, and there is the brush right there that collects all the dirt, and that little red and, is that green or blue? Green?
Green.
Little red and green area there, those little dots. That's where the little brushes go. And then you pop the red one on the red one, and you pop the green one on the green one. And that little tool we showed a minute ago, did you keep it out or put it back?
I'll put it back.
Okay, it's okay. It's got a little hook on the end, and you use it to pop those back off. And they give you 2 extra brushes. Yeah. So you want to pop that battery in, huh? You can program him to come out at certain times of the day. I don't know everything about him as of yet. I'm still learning, fixing to be learning, but I do know it does an excellent job. When the battery is running low, it will go to the home station all by itself, which I think is great. And so we're fixing to find a place to put the home station for it. You have to have a big open area to put it in. And I almost forgot to show you guys, but this is the little mopping thing. Kind of spin it around, let's look at it. Yeah, like that. See, and this area holds the water and your cleaning liquid. And you take this little cup and you fill it up with your water and cleaning fluid. And then you open that top there and you pour it right in there. And then you close that top back. And you put this on the bottom of your machine. So you just place that on the bottom like that. And then you flip it back over. And it's ready to go. It's ready to mop and dry your floor. It's pretty awesome. So we are fixing to control him back to his home station. Now is it going by itself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's trying to position itself, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And there he is. He's charging. And there's Lillian. She knows there's something different going on. Yeah, she doesn't like it. She's seen grandma's before. What is it? It's fixing to clean your carpet. We stuck everything in her little clubhouse. She knows I'm getting ready to start it. Okay, here we go. Look at that. It's picking everything up. Oh, that's good. Oh, look at that. Put those little feelers out. Look at that. Grab that too. Wow, this is cool. Just turn this loose in here. Just turn this loose in here and then Mom won't have to do it, huh? Yeah. She says, this is getting too close to my clubhouse. I think the pattern on the rug is actually making it think there's a wall. Yep. Wow, that's funny. Look at it. Look, see the black? Look at that. Very interesting. Here in just a minute, we are going to see what it has collected. Yeah, what do you think about that? She likes her chair up there. Lillian, are you ready to stop it and look, see what we got out of your room? Okay. Lillian's jumping on my back. Oh, isn't that pretty? And there it is. It is beautiful. So now we are going to open it and see just how much dirt we got. Now this was, oh, I guess we ran it about, what, about 15 minutes? So this ought to be a pretty good example. I vacuum her room every day, and she always wears a diaper. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you happy we stopped it? Oh, she's happy. So we're going to open it up and pour what we got out of her room on the paper towel. There we go. Wow. And I vacuum every day in here. So, yeah, it works fantastic. It wasn't finished cleaning. You want to close it up and put it in there? So I'm going to close it and let it continue cleaning. All in all, this is a really good machine. I'm not quite sure how long it lasts, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, I really don't know, before it has to charge again. If you want to watch Lillian grow from a baby up until now, then you can start watching with video number 1. Don't forget to subscribe to Lillian. That lets us know you want to see more videos with her. And be sure to give her a big thumbs up, especially today. She's been a real trooper letting something strange come in her room. So give her a big thumbs up and drop her a comment. We appreciate y'all stopping by, and we will catch y'all next time.